Hey everyone, my name is Faizaan Charania. I am a senior product manager at LinkedIn, and my favorite coffee, actually, I am trying to decaffeinate myself. So I'm actually trying to not consume coffee right now. So my favorite coffee right now is water, but that's it is.
So does that mean that you're really intimate with the types of technology your teams are using? Are you building out diagrams and figuring out, okay, we're going to be pulling data from this database and then making sure that we have all this type of whatever, we're throwing it into a Kafka stream, or we're getting it from a Kafka stream and then we're transforming it with Flink and that kind of thing? Or is it more just like, hey, this is our problem. I know that we have the data because I know from this other project that we created, we definitely are using some similar data. And I know that a similar project that we've created also had success. So we can do this. Like, break it down. How does that look? And how do you also think about those things and think those things through and talk to your team about it?
Yeah, it's more of the latter. As much as I enjoy getting into the weeds of like which Kafka stream it is coming from, I don't think that's the best use of my time. And that is why I have these brilliant engineers working with me. So what I do is I focus on the latter part, which is, okay, what kind of features do we have? How can we use these features? Sometimes the one step extra is I know what data we have available, what kind of experience that I'm trying to build. And then I'll have recommendations of like, hey, maybe I don't think we can build a classifier at this point. Maybe we just do this heuristic and then we collect training data and go from there. Or maybe we just start with some low form of clustering and maybe we just use these attributes of a user to create the MVP experience and then go from there. One thing just like came to me while I was talking about this, the reason why this is potentially useful as well, just simplifying the solution, even when like, generally the solution is owned by the engineers, theoretically speaking, is because whenever we are building an AI product, you cannot build the best model right away. You have to start small. Otherwise, it's just a lot of effort for confirming or even rejecting some hypothesis. So what we do is I try to simplify the MVP as much as possible, see if we are getting the right signal, see if we are accepting or rejecting the right kind of assumptions. And then once we have that, then we need a good machine learning model. And then I take my hands off like, hey, okay, person A, person B, just build me a nice thing. And then they own the whole thing and I don't have to know any details.